We're going to just stand in. We're just going to stand in ihame. And I just do this motion. Come back in. Yeah. Let's just do the taps. Oh, come here. That's all we're going to do. What we're doing. Don't lead with your head. Don't think through the technique. You're here. This is where you're thinking. Please. Arimi nage. Arimi kenkan. I want you to come around. Turn around. So you're just kind of, I'm the, I don't know what it's called, clubhouse corner, clubhouse pole. Okay, 1, Tenshim. Dan and I practiced with Sensei, Dohei Sensei, and Tenshim was what he did. Kanai Sensei, Tenshim is less in the corner, and realizing that what I realized is that Uke is getting off the line of attack more than the nage is. But in this case, I'm getting off the line of attack. And right now we're just kind of getting that feeling of going around. What are we starting with? We're starting with Kattori ihame. We're starting with Kattori ihame. I give him a little come around behind me, and I step, and now I'm here. And now I have Ushiro Ryote Tori. Some people call it Ushiro Tekubi Tori. But we call it Ryote. And then he can go around. So let's just go around. 1, 2. Send his energy out. Okay? Tenshim. Around you, and you just step back. Now he has a hold of you. Now from this position, you're going to get out from in front of him, and you can move from here, or you can, like we were doing in the last technique, I'm going to send him out, and he turns back into ihame. And then I do the same thing, and he has a arimi nage. I bring him over in front of me, come around. I step back and bring him around. Arimi nage now. Arimi nage is done a lot of different ways once you get the person around you. But what I'm doing is taking 4 steps. 1, turn. 2, and 3, forward. I don't know, I didn't count the 2, sorry. 1, here you are. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And the 4th one, if it's my left foot, my left hand is throwing. If it's my right foot, last, my right hand is throwing. So I'm keeping my energy all together. Arimi Ushiro Ryote Tori Arimi nage. The idea is you're going from one Kattori ihame, Kattori ihame, and then he's coming around, and I'm just making him chase me a little bit, and I'm here. Now, if I start in a static motion, like so, I don't want my hands back here because I can't get him. I can't bring him forward. Doesn't mean that I can't move into him and get him. So what I do here, okay, but if he stops, if I can move him forward, he doesn't have to take his, he can just turn around. Oh, he's got me again. Oh, thank you. So, yeah, now he's safer. And then I do whatever I want to do. I can come up behind him and forward roll. Again, here, I just bring it up and send him out. But as uke, I come around, I want to get around this way. I want to come all the way around him so that we're looking like he's doing that technique. We're doing ihame, Kattori, ihame to one hand to the other. Thank you. Arimi nage. Okay? Just to show you a little bit. That's arimi nage. That's arimi nage. We're not doing any of those yet. Okay? But those are arimi nages. Okay? Okay, I can come in arimi nage. I can come in here and I can stay, keep this one up. Do that. The current doshu, that's what he likes to do. He doesn't step in 3-4, but I do. Okay. So now let's stop. And forward roll. Now he doesn't go out into that motion. In groups, 3 groups. Don't let it get back here. I can't do anything with that. What I'm doing, if you look, is I'm keeping it right here in front of me. It's right at my center. I'm coming and I'm bringing it right in here. And then I can bring it over my head, but I'm scooping him. And that's what takes him over here. I'm making that move and then I'm scooping inside. And then I feed him with that. Feed him that one and bring it down. So here, it's hard for him to get my hand over here. So what I do is I lift it up so he can see it. So he knows it's feeling, okay? So make sure that you're stepping back, raising that hand down.
Hi, Sensei. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ushiro kubishume. You're going to choke me. Yeah. Okay. So he's not quite choking me, but okay. I'm okay with that. But I don't want to. Yeah. I don't want to actually. Now with this hand, just let me put you in a bit. I don't want to open my neck up. Okay. What I want to do is I want to put my hand in here, and now he can pull in, but he's pulling in on my jar. He's not here now. If he pulls in, I can't. If I'm here, I can't. I can still talk, and you know how I like to talk. So, pardon me. So, so I'm just going to bring this hand over, and now I just put him out to the side. This last one, he's come in, and I've thrown him right back at you. You come at me, and I just throw you right back to where you were. But this time, I can koshi nage, or I can just throw him off to the side. And so, in this case, here, and so you'll be going off to the side. Okay? I would say keep the same, keep groups. You don't have to go too fast. You can go slow. Right?
One more. One more, Sensei. Nice.
Any questions? Okay. Same basic movement, same everything. He comes around. I get my head toward his elbow, so my jaw is in. I can hold this, but in this case, grab hold, good grip. I can't lift it up jumping jack style. I have to bring it in here and over my head, and now I have Sankyo. Okay, I've got Sankyo. So I just move into him a little bit and cut down. Now, you've got bad feet, got bad wrists, just kind of pantomime it. Pantomime, you don't have to do it. Next, I come here, and I've got, I come in, I can come down. Shoulders okay?
Yes, Sensei.
Oh, it's the legs that don't work. Okay. Again, hey, guess what? I can just grab it right away. I don't have to wait for him to choke me. So that's two ways I just accomplished that. Wait till he grabs me, come over, I can twist it, I can move around behind him and bring it down. If it's hard for me to go down, I just stay here, put it on the inside, twist. If I do go down, I want to drop my knee here so he doesn't move forward. Change this, and then just move it around. Watch his feet, and then that was it. The first way I did it. Second way, second way is I just came right over, and I don't even wait for him. And I can step behind him and keep this. And then again, Sankyo. Okay. One other way is here, and I've got him here. Now I move out through his choke hand, and then come in. Let's scoot you. Okay. And now here. Sankyo here, pull his arm, push it to the ground. Another way of pinning. Standing, squatting, there you go. Again, is that the same thing? No, let's do that. No. Which one hurts for this one? Yeah? Because I want to do the choking. Okay. here. So in this position, I slide out and this hand, I've got him here. Sankyo, dropping down. Keep this long. He's pretty soft. So I'm just twisting. Dust those joints. That's what you're doing. So, Sankyo, 3 ways. Thanks, Jensen. Get your GPSs out. Thank you very, very much. Ushuro movement. O-sensei says things that you see and things that are hidden and things that you can't see. And sort of behind you, you can't see. So you're working with things behind you. You're feeling for it. That's the case. Thank you very, very much for your attendance. All of you that here at the dojo are helping. Again, good work. Thank you very, very much.